Welcome students, welcome in our e-learning classes of Bardhan Model School. Student of class 11, today I will solve miscellaneous portion of the chapter trigonometry. The first sum was written that 2 cos pi by 13 cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13, that we have to prove that expression, value of that expression equal to 0. Okay, value of that expression equal to 0. Now taking left hand side, that is 2 cos pi by 13 plus into cos 9 pi by. Now just change it into cos, taking as a and taking as b, cos a plus cos b. So 2 cos, that formula is 2 cos pi by 13 cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos a plus cos b, 2 cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. Therefore 2 cos a plus b by 2, 3 pi plus 5 pi, 8 pi by 13 by 2, that is 8 pi by 2, that is 4 pi by 13, 4 pi by 13, and cos a minus b by 2, cos 3 pi minus 5 pi, that is minus 2 pi. I have told you that cos of minus 2 by 13 into 2, that is cos of minus pi by 13, and you know that cos of minus theta equal to cos theta, cos of minus theta equal to cos of, that will be cos of pi by 3, that will be cos of pi by 13. Okay, that is cos of pi by 13. So now cos 2 cos pi by 13 and 2 cos pi by 3, this is the common term. So you can write this in this way: 2 cos pi by 13 bracket cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 4 pi by 13. Okay, again you have to use the cos a plus cos b formula, because taking this at cos a, that is a, and that is b, cos a plus cos b. So cos a, 2 cos pi by 13, 2 cos pi by 13, cos a plus cos b, 2 cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus 2 cos 9 pi plus 4 pi, 13 pi by 13, it means 13 remove, only pi by 13, only pi, and by 2, that is pi by 2, and cos a minus b by 2, 9 pi by 13, 4 pi by 13, that is 5 pi by 13 by 2, that is 5 pi by 26, 5 pi by 26. Okay, now 2 cos pi by 13, 2 cos pi by 2, only cos pi by 2, value is 0, 2 into 0, cos pi by 2, which means cos 90 degree, cos 90 degree is 0, cos 90, that is cos 5 pi by 26, 5 pi by 26. All the terms are in product form, and one term of them is 0. It means the value of the total expression equal to 0. So that is our right hand side, that is equal to right hand side. Okay, so left hand side equal to right hand side. That is the question number 1 of miscellaneous portion. That is the question number 1 of miscellaneous one. Now moving on the question number 2 of the miscellaneous portion. Sin 3x plus sin x bracket sin x plus cos 3x minus cos x into cos x equal to 0. That expression equal to, we have to prove that expression equal to 0. So taking the left hand side, first remove the bracket by multiplication. Okay, so sin 3x into sin x, that is sin 3x into sin x minus, plus, that is sin square x, cos 3x into cos x, that is cos 3x into cos x minus cos square x minus cos square x. Okay, that is cos square x. Now sin 3x x and consider rearrange the term. Rearrange the term, that is, first write it down, cos 3x cos x plus sin 3x sin x minus cos square x plus sin square x. Okay, just rearrange the term. Now cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. What is the formula of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B? That is cos A minus B. Okay, if it is plus, then A minus B. If it is minus, then A plus B. So cos 3x minus x, and here taking the minus common, cos square x minus sin square x. Cos square x minus sin square x. Now cos 3x minus x, that is cos of 2x, that is cos of 2x, and cos square x minus sin square x. Cos square x minus sin square x means that is also the another formula of cos 2x. Okay, so cos 2x. Now first term cos 2x, second term cos 2x. So cos 2x minus cos 2x, that is 0. So that is our right hand side. That is our right hand side. So left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay, so proved, that is proved. Now moving on the next question, that is question number 3. Moving on the next question, that is question number 3. X plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square, that equal to, we have to prove, that equal to, we have to 4 cos square x plus y by 2, 4 cos square x plus y by 2, that equal to, we have to prove. So taking the left hand side, that is cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square, that is a plus b into another form of a minus b. So cos square x plus 2 cos x cos y plus cos square y plus sin square x plus sin square y minus 2 sin x sin y minus 2 sin x sin y. Okay, now cos square x plus sin square x value is 1, cos square y plus sin square y, that is also 1. Now 2 cos x cos y minus 2 sin x sin y, 2 sin x sin y, taking 2 plus 2 of cos x plus cos y, cos x, not cos x plus cos x into cos y, cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y, sin x into sin y. Now 2 cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, here is minus, so the formula is 2 cos x plus y, 2 cos x plus y. Now taking bracket 2 common, that is 2 1 plus cos x plus y. So 1 plus cos x, what is the formula of 1 plus cos x? That is 2 cos square x by 2. Here is x, so x by 2. Now here 2 1 plus cos, 1 plus, the formula is 2 cos square x plus y, here x plus y, so x plus y by 2, x by y by 2, so that is 4 cos square x plus y by 2, 4 cos square is x plus y by 2, that is our right hand side, that is our right hand. So here left hand side and right hand side are equal, so you can write left hand side equal to right hand side and equal to proved. Okay. So students, in this video we have solved question number 1, 2 and 3. In the next video we will solve question number 4, 5 and 6. Thank you. Bye.